I'll have a primitive setup. We've got 100 drill each one of these, 18. And there's one that we've done. We'll have to drill the end ones on site and see how long it takes. So I've got half of them done. There's 8 there. This is the 9th going now. And that's took us an hour and 50 minutes so far. Good morning, start of another week. You can tell, not in the yard, we're actually in Edinburgh for the Ginger Prince's birthday yesterday. Just on his way now, getting on local bus for another day of debauchery, drinking. This is last day today, it's Monday, been here since Saturday. So yeah, the lads are carrying on at the school in Bradford this week. Should get that boxed off by the end of the week. We're back home tomorrow, back to work Wednesday, so a nice short week for me and Carl. But busy when we get back. Yeah, I shall catch you later.
Few moments later.
Back to work after a boozy weekend in Edinburgh. Carl's birthday. Still tired. It's about 10 to 7 now, lads out here yet, but the gates I picked up last week. And we're still on with this job here, the crank posts which are on with. So they've probably got this side to get back in, and obviously pale it. These should have been double drilled, and they're not. 8 or 9 bays that we're going to have to drill, which suppliers didn't send wrong ones. So yeah, lads should be here soon. Just going to have a couple of hours catching up and maybe drill these with lads when they get. Otherwise a lot of doing on site. Carl should have been here by now, but he's obviously tired. Should get off for now and I shall see you shortly. I'm back down at this place here, Goldfields one. Look, you see our sign here? We installed this a couple of years ago, all the way around, mesh and palisade round back. Then we actually did that job over there. Oh, sorry there, transport place. Basically, we've already been back here once. A wagon had taken the gates out, which I'll go see in a minute, which is just over there. And we've already repaired them once, replaced them, and now it's happened again. So I'm just going to see the damage now. I just thought I'd get a video just to show how our fences look after a couple of years. Not bad at all, that. Still looking good. Our sign's still doing as well. Busy little street this actually. So yeah, they've made a bit of a mess of these. It's torn it there, look. So they've obviously caught it going in there. And taken it out, and looks like the gate post is leaning, which I think it is. Yeah, see it's over there, so it's probably one I want digging out too. So it's touching floor there, so it's obviously leaned it over. So it wants a new gate leaf, new hinges, and that gate post digging out and straightening. Just at Bowling Park Primary, done that bit there. Got that bit to do tomorrow. All gates in. Looking good is that, isn't it, really? Coming on, isn't it? So, thinning off there. Jamie's just going to let me in now.
Smooth, isn't it?
Pretty smooth, isn't it?
Aye.
Nice with flashing lights and stuff. Down is it? It's all fenced off legally now. Up run back. He's getting his ivories on. Oh yeah, it's looking good, is that? Good man, YouTube. Just after 6, I've come in early this morning. What a beautiful morning. Sun's shining, look at that. Carl said he'd be here early, but he said that yesterday as well, and he's not here yet. Come on, lad. So yeah, hopefully this job will be finished tomorrow. I drive up there yesterday, and it's looking well. There's the other pail, single pointed, which go in the middles of the normal pails which I've got on the van. Don't know whether you saw that on YouTube, but it made a sign with his fingers. I don't think it was victory. I shall get off now, and we'll get set up for drilling these rails, and I'll get back to you shortly. I'll have a primitive setup. We've got 100 drill each one of these, 18. And there's one that we've done. We'll have to drill the end ones on site. That's number 2. And see how long it takes. So we've got half of them done. There's 8 there. This is the 9th going now. And that's took us an hour and 50 minutes so far. So yeah, we've got half of them rails drilled. I'll do the other half when I get back. I've just got to nip down to Armley now and see a job at British Sharp Foundation that we did about a year ago apparently. A van's gone in that side of one of it, either gate or fencing, I'm not sure. So I'll nip down there, come back because I've got my little van getting delivered today. Try to organise the valeting. Robbie, if you're watching, I hope you're doing it. So yeah, I shall nip down there and then get back and hopefully my van might be not far off. Yeah, we're just doing the other half now, marking a few out and drilling them. So yes, that can take 3 hours in total to do these. Each one's 15-20 minutes each. Rest of them drilled for him yesterday. So watch, he's got his radio on. Not say it yet. Got them drilled, we can double pail them. And the middle pails to go on there. Don't know whether I've touched on it yet, but I've got a new vehicle which I'll show you in a minute, but I had this valeted. It looks fantastic when they're valeted, don't it? Look at it. The cleanest I've had it since I've got it. All valeted inside, look. This is getting picked up on Monday. I'm not going to get something similar, but I've decided not to. I've gone for something a bit more practical now. Don't get me wrong, I've enjoyed that car. Automatic, I've got used to that now, but I've got this one. Little van here. It's an absolute belter. Already, look. I'm going to drop all that off to some lads on a job at a school we've got coming up. All ducting. They're all singing, all dancing. Lovely. Obviously it's brand new, but it's automatic, look. And it's great. Love it. It's actually pretty fast. I worried it wouldn't have enough oomph, but my god, it goes like it off a stick. Fantastic. Just going to nip home now and then I'm on my way to Denham and drop this goods off in back. Yeah, so I've just dropped that stuff at Denham there. We're waiting, having a word with site manager, but couldn't really get a video there. They were chatting to a kid who's come do groundworks and it was like, oh, that's a lot more than we thought, and you know, oh, I didn't know we were going over there and this and that. And I said, what, are you getting tarmac then for the crops? Oh no, they're doing tarmac. Eh? It's like, what's going on here? So I hope it's alright. Anyway, he seemed to know what was happening, but I went through it 2 or 3 times with him. I said, oh, you don't know, ring me. So we might even have to tarmac it, I don't know. There's like a stretch across path and a stretch across road, like double gates there. So anyway, we'll see what happens there. I might nip up next week and just make sure it's all alright before we come back. Job couldn't get any worse. 27 pails short now, these short. Lads have just loaded out. That's half a bay. There's 1, 2, 1 there, 3. So it's that bait short, and this is actually less than I've ordered because the run's less. It's like, how do you get that wrong? So yeah, we're just at Bowling Park here. I'm just going to get a picture of this fine specimen on wall here, putting it. Yeah, he's got his ivories on phone, so he ain't got his body out, his muscles. It's looking well. Putting single pails on first and then double paling it, so it's just to keep. This is the nursery bit in here, so just, I know you can't see through, but you've got to go up to it, you see. And Baggy's just following and drilling where the gaps are there. He's just drilling them in there. Which you can see he's done these ones here. And there. Looking good. And just a couple of little finishing bits like I think you've seen gate, but obviously they'll just give that a wipe down and a bit of a swill. Obviously we've blocked all that off so kids can't get in. I'm going to trim that which saw. Apart from that, it's all looking really good. Very happy with how that's gone. It's been a bit of an headache. One to work out initially, and two, suppliers keep getting it wrong. And we've just had a mad panic on. They haven't sent us enough palings. So I've just had to nip back. Good job I've got my new van. I've got my palings in and I've just brought them now. So I've got enough to finish the job, thank God. And it just wants a bit of a clean down, a bit of a paint. So a good hour here. I think it'll be done. What do you think, Baggy? A good hour?
Yeah.
Good hour. Still not a bad finish on a Friday, that. So yeah, very happy with how this has gone. Lads have done a good job on this. Apart from suppliers sort of letting us down, it hasn't gone that bad really. But anyway, I'm off back to the yard to do my admin. Morning, Saturday, I'm at the yard. Yeah, so I just remember I didn't do an out video yesterday, I was just busy, but I've just been to pick a drill bit up at yard. But, we had a good week actually. We got obviously our away start week in Edinburgh, bit of a booze fest, took a couple of days to get over, and then lads carried on, and yeah, they got that job finished yesterday, so all happy. Typical school, put invoice in, you know, it's not a small amount, there's an automated gate, everything, load of crank posts, some fencing, and oh, thanks for your invoice, yeah, we'll pay you sometime in September. Like, what? It's like, you know, the end of July, 1st of August, whatever we're on. It's like, how do they expect you to survive, you know? It's like, yeah, don't worry about it, we're on holiday, we'll pay you when we get back. You know, we haven't got bills to pay and all like that, but anyway, rant over. I'm not letting that get me down now because it's a lovely day. And I'm just going to go nip to Builders Merchants, just get a little drill bit, so I'm just going to mend his handrail at back steps at home, drill that up wall. So if you like what we do, comment down below, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.